Travelling to a game here at Anfield, or maybe following the Reds away from home. There's a good chance you'll be connecting to public Wi-Fi somewhere along the way. But did you know that the free Wi-Fi is the hacker's favourite pitch? So instead of chasing a ball, they're ready to steal your sensitive information.
Now, what can you say? What are the indicators that it looks out for?
Most of these indicators are volume indicators who are telling the bot where to put the positions, to put the positions farther away from your current position. And yeah, then just indicators you would also use, like being oversold, being overbought, EMA ribbon, some indicators like that. But I cannot tell you, I don't have the permission to tell you exactly what indicators the bot is using.
Sure.
He's also switching up indicators depending on what the market is doing right now. For example, if it's going sideways, it's very hard to use indicators like being overbought or oversold, because they are like, market is just in the middle.
Yeah.
It's learning. It's learning on previous trades and trades which are saved in the data space from all bot users.
Okay, so this is in the sideways space, and I understand how you can't share what indicators it is because that's proprietary. So this is in the sideways movement. What happens when you have volatile price movements, when Bitcoin jumps up $1,000 in a matter of minutes?
This is when the bot is generating you more than 0.005 BTC. I can tell you that. I can tell you that. If you ask someone, you cannot make that much money with the price just changing 0.5%. It's not. You can be as good as a trader as you want. You cannot make big money if the price is only moving 0.5% or 1%. So, yeah, what is the bot doing? The bot is, if you scroll out to a higher time frame.
Yeah. Should we put in?
Yeah, let's put 4 hours.
Yeah. Okay.
So, and then just move the screen more to the right so we can see the positions. Is that possible? On the right, there are the exact positions.
Yeah.
And the price level, the positions are.
Yes, here they are, right?
No, this is only telling for what amount to buy in. On the right of the screen.
On the right of the screen.
Yeah.
Why is it not showing?
Maybe it's cut off the screen. I'm not sure.
I don't know why. So it'd be here, right? I can't see that bit. It's something to do with my browser. These here.
Yeah, it's cut off, but we can do it. We can do it without showing.
Yeah.
Basically, first of all, the bot is looking what price range are we trading in. Yeah. And if the price range gets tighter, the bot gets more passive because he's waiting for a bigger breakout. So the amount he's putting in the trades gets reduced. So for example, if we are in a tightening range and it's close to the breakout point, the bot is maybe not having any position or just putting in, like in your case, $90 to trade with.
Right.
So if the bot is breaking out and not the bot, the price is breaking out and the bot is reading there's a lot of volume in the market, then he's not putting the orders close around your current price. He's waiting for bigger jumps to catch and let the trade and the price come to his order and not trying to catch a falling knife.
Right.
So right now, all the price orders around the bot are close to 100, 150 price movements. But if there's more volume into the market, the price ranges gets to cover like $2,000, 150 per trade, and a lot higher, not only $90. He's basically doubling, tripling your trading size while having bigger steps to cover.
Okay, and this is all with leverage, and like you said, in 4 to 6 weeks with 200 bot users, no liquidations.
No liquidation at all, because bot is not only chasing a position, and trying to get it as close as possible to the market price. He's also selling parts of the position before in profit to keep your position size that small, so your liquidation price gets further away.
Okay, now the bot has just changed from 100 to 90 on these ones.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Bot is switching up your orders around your position every 30 seconds to 3 minutes. Yeah, roughly.
Wow. Okay. Now I couldn't
Depending on
do
the
that.
price movement.
I couldn't do that as a human being. I don't think I could place this many trades so quickly and adjust them. I wouldn't have a life.
It's all for the case if, for example, there's a 3-minute trade happening, crossing like 2 or 3 resistance level, going down 1,000 or going up 2,000, then the bot is prepared.
Right. Okay.
And after every position hit, the bot is also reevaluating other positions. So there's no time limit for like 30 seconds or 3 minutes. The bot is not reacting. If one position is crossed and the bot bought again or sold again, all other orders around that are reevaluated at the exact time.
Okay, very good. Now, I just want to say we're back up at 0.2505 here, my balance, which is good. Now, how did this bot come about, and how did you come across it?
Yes, so I'm also into trading for a longer time. I traded on my own, but as I said before, not that. I did not make that much profit because I'm very emotional, I have to tell you. So,
wait a minute, Lucas. You mean you're not a robot? You're a human being?
I'm not a robot. I'm a human being, and yeah, I'm sometimes one of these gambling mans who's either going for the times 10 than for the safe 10% gains. So I'm one of these moon boys.
Right.
Yeah, but after that I left my trading to altcoin trading, which is also very bad in the last couple of months because price is not doing like this. Just this one in here. I did not do it on my own. I let it do from a professional trader, but even professional traders cannot make you any gains if the market is just constantly moving in one direction. That's not possible. So for me, the only conclusion was to trade BTC, because BTC trading has 2 major, how to say, benefits over other trading styles. You're not only benefiting on your gains in BTC, you also benefit in the gains compared to your fiat currency.
Yes.
So even though if you're losing like 2 or 3% in BTC in 1 month, it's very high likely that the BTC value increases more than these 2 or 3% compared to your fiat currency.
Yes. No, that's very, very smart because it is a deflationary currency.
Yes. So what are you looking at if you want to bot trade and not trade on your own? There are thousands of bots on the market. Bots you can program on your own, like Crypto Hopper, 3Commerce, Signally. Then you can copy them with any signal provider out there. And trust me, it only makes those guys rich who put the signals out.
Okay.
Because accuracy on these signals is not that high. So you're looking for a bot who can trade on his own, not only in an upwards market or in a sideways market, who can earn while the price is going down and while the price is going up. That's what you're trying to find.
Right. Okay. So now, this is on the daily chart. I'm just messing about here, having a look. So what? And by the way, this is the green are the long positions that when the price hits the green, it'll go long, and the red
These are your buying positions and your selling positions.
Red is the selling position. So if price hits there, then it'll go short to catch it going down.
Indeed.
All right.
You did your homework.
Well, I've done my Blue Sky binary trading course, but I've not completed it. I'm part through it. Plus, I'm picking up stuff. My for being in Bitcoin for many, many years, and also gold and silver before that, looking and learning. Now, so what now, I just want to say what the risks are with this bot as I see them. So one is although the Bitcoin is in my wallet in the exchange, the bot can't take the Bitcoin out or anything. It only reads and it writes the trades, right? So the trade is that the risk is that I can get liquidated on a margin call or something. And there's always that risk. The other risk I can see is that if the exchange gets hacked, which is the same with any exchange because it's not my private keys, but that's the same with Coinbase or Binance and stuff. And I think in Deribit's favor, given that it's been around since 2015 or 2016, that they should have some secure provisions.
Yes, if you look on your left, there's a tab which says insurance funds. These are... Scroll down.
No,
yeah, insurance. Yes, the umbrella. Is it an umbrella? Yes, it is. So these are the funds saved by Deribit to make sure to cover any hacking losses or failure on their side. But since I'm not sure, since they are live, there was no hacking attack at all, or anything like that. They are also highly regulated because they're in the EU and not on the Seychelles or anywhere in Asia,
right?
Countries like that.
Yes. So it has to fit the Netherlands regulations and also the EU regulations.
Yes.
Okay. Now, is this open to US investors?
I'm not sure. No, I guess not. You have to use a VPN. One of my customers, who's also in the Telegram chat, we will cover later, he can help you to set up a VPN, and you can also access the exchange by using VPN.
Right. Now, I just want to say, whether you're in the US or not, or anywhere in the world, you should use a VPN anyway. And I have an affiliate link with one of the best VPNs going in the world, NordVPN, and that will give you something like 60+% discount off their order, and you get a 30-day free trial as well. Thank you for that, Lucas. We didn't plan that, but that was nice. Right. Now, there's no KYC, as I understand it.
There's no know your customers. No.
There's no.
If there's any problem with your account, or that's stupid, I have to put it that way, that you lose access to your account or you don't save it with two-factor authentication. By the way, you should always do that. If it's not your keys, it's not your crypto. I'm sorry to say that.
Yeah.
Then you have to authenticate yourself and prove that you are the owner of this account. If you get your crypto back, that's not in my hands. I did not experience one of these issues, but this is the only reason why you have to do a KYC on this trading platform.
Right. Okay. Very good. Now those are the risks, right? And like you said, they've got 276 Bitcoin in their insurance fund, and it looks like they keep adding to it. And no KYC. Let's go back. Where do I go back? Is it perpetual, isn't it?
Perpetual, yes.
Perpetual, okay. So back in the screen. All right. Now, what are the benefits of this over time is accruing Bitcoin.
That's what we all want to do.
And I can withdraw this Bitcoin at any point I like.
At any point, yes.
At any point. It's my Bitcoin. And I can withdraw it to my hardware wallet, and that's it. And I would 0.2499 yesterday, 12 hours ago, and it's now 0.2505. Okay,
yes.
So I can withdraw that, but I'm going to keep it in and keep playing. Now, how much does the bot cost?
Yeah, because it's basically an artificial intelligence bot. It's not that cheap to run on a server. It takes away a lot of server space. To cover the prices, it depends on how much BTC you want the bot to trade with. So everything from 0.25 BTC to 0.499 BTC is $450.
Okay, so the minimum investment is 0.2499 BTC,
yes.
right? So you got to come in
0.25 BTC is the minimum.
0.25. So you got to come in with a quarter of a BTC minimum, and up
Yes.
to a half BTC, it's $450
Yes.
for 3
Yes.
months. It's a 3 month.
For 3 months. It's a 3-month subscription.
Mhm.
And most of the people make their initial investments back in like 2 weeks.
Wow.
So it's not of a big deal. I will show you some accounts later.
We'll look at those in a moment. Yeah, some of those accounts, including your account as well, Lucas.
Yes.
If you're willing to share that, right?
Yes.
And then from half a BTC to 1 BTC.
Yes, it's $900, basically double the amount.
Double the amount. Okay,
Yes.
and then from 1 BTC onwards.
From 1 BTC, if you like to plan to invest more, like I did, it's 5% of your initial investment, and we have a profit share of 30% every 15th and 30th of the month.
So if you put in, okay, so so this is for people who put in 1 BTC or more. You pay 5%.
Yes, you pay less than the 900 subscription fee for up to 1 BTC. Yeah. But you have a profit share at the 50th and 30th of every month. The benefit of putting in 1 BTC or more is that the bot can accumulate as much BTC as he wants to, because if you only buy a tier that goes up to half a BTC, even if you have more balance in your account, let's say you have like 0.6 BTC in your account and you only paid for the first tier, the bot will only use 0.499 BTC at most.
Right.
So he will not use your balance that's over the 0.5 BTC.
Right. So then what it does, I suppose, it increases the liquidity and also increases the reserve that you can trade with. Okay. Yes. Hence the advantage. And then perhaps, I don't know, maybe the bot can place more trades on your behalf. And where does the 30% profit share come from?
It comes from your account. So, for example, if we made like you have 1 BTC in your account, and in 15 days you did like, let's put it passive, you did like 5%. Okay? So 1.7%, 30% of that goes to me, and I forward it to the bot owner.
Okay. And then, all right. And then you get some of the profit share. And then who is the bot owner? How did it come about?
Yes, this is quite a strange story.